image is and what the subheading says also needs to be given consideration. The leaflet encourages you to support the campaign to protect orangutans. How do the headings and photographs help to do this? Okay. You have 3 images on this page. What are they of? Where have they been put? And what impact do they have on you? Why do you think they decided to put this one here at the top and not this one? Again, the fact that this heading here says, but you can help, and they have a more positive image here. Okay, so 12A, I am asking you, when using your essay frame and analysis of this, that you make sure that it's being analysed in order to get your 6 out of 6. It needs to have clear and reasonably sustained analytical response. That you're not just describing what you see or identifying what you see, you're explaining the impact that it has on you using the P chain. You will need to use quotation in relation to the headings. You will need to explain the effect that the headings have on you, where they are, what they say, in terms of the images, where they are, and the effect that they have on you. Going back to the mark scheme here, it says for higher band responses, which is for you to get a 5 out of 6 or a 6 out of 6, you need to be doing the following. Identify headings and photographs. Make reasonably sustained comments about the effect that it has on you as a reader, that it compels you to act, that it provokes an emotive response, that it makes you inclined to feel sympathetic in order to help. You have to show clear evidence that specific effects of these presentational features are being analysed rather than just describing or listing. If you look here, question 2A, the structure for answering it, okay? The leaflet encourages, that's the question, how do the headings and the images help encourage you to support the campaign? I am asking you to write a brief 1 or 2 line introduction, that's it. You can use mine. The purpose of this leaflet is to encourage us to feel sympathy for the plight of the orangutan. Make sure there's a full stop at the end of that. Go in then to a new paragraph. You're going to comment on the headings. What are the headings? Where are they? What do they say? What effect or impact do they have on you as a reader? And refer back to the quotation, as in, how have they encouraged you to support the campaign? Make sure that you are doing that correctly in terms of embedding your quotation properly. Then when you go to do the images, where are the images on the page? What are they of? What effect do they have on you? How have they encouraged you to support the campaign? And again, you're talking about how you feel compelled to act. It is emotive. You are guilt-tripped and persuaded into supporting the campaign because of the emotional content in the images and because of the emotive words used in the headings. Then we have a brief conclusion and summative comment. It is through these features that we are compelled to act and support this campaign.